Well, we started Ruby Branch with 300 mums, a tent, and a basket of gourds. And now today we're growing 15,000 mums, 5-acre pumpkin patch, a 7-acre corn maze, and 5-acre sunflower maze.
Drew is an 8th generation farmer here in Simpson County, Kentucky, and where Ruby Branch Farm sits is actually the original home place that he can trace back those generations here at the farm.
I think what I'm most proud of is how this is still a true family farm. 80% of the people that work here we're related to, mom, dad, cousins, aunts. You know, that comes with its challenges, but again, at the end of the day, it is still a true family farm.